Oh, hi friends! Today we're going to be making brownies. So I'm going to tell you the ingredients and then we can start. Hi everybody! Welcome to Addison's Playhouse. So today we're making brownies. We have some sprinkles for the ingredients, also some chocolate, some little containers, and some little and brownie powder, milk, and oil, and we just have a whole lot of ingredients. See you to the next part. A half of 1 cup of oil. Whoop. Okay, now we got 3 eggs. 1 egg. 2 eggs. 1 more egg left. And 3 eggs. Oh no. Now I'm gonna add it in the bowl. Let's add it in the bowl. Whoop. So now I add. Oh, it smells so chocolatey. Smell it. Okay. So I'm gonna add a little of that. I'm gonna add it in here. Oh no, no, no. I can smell the whole thing. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
We forgot the milk!
Well, we didn't forget it. I did it. Yeah, I gotta mix it. Milk. Put the sprinkles in. I love this. This is gonna turn out yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. I got love in my tummy.
Ooh, that is so
Get closer
satisfying.
inside.
That is satisfying. Oh, that is so satisfying. Guys, don't you think this is satisfying?
Oh my goodness.
Whoever thinks this is satisfying, give a thumbs out and comment below. Oh my god, guys, this is so nice. So, my dad put the brownies in the oven, so I just want to make sure that you ask your parents for permission or ask for help because it's really dangerous. So we're gonna wait 22 minutes and then we're gonna start eating. I can't wait because I think it's gonna be crunchy, yummy, and delicious. They smell really good. You wanna smell one? Or you wanna try one? I hope you liked this video. Subscribe and press the like button. Go to our account and then watch all of their videos. Bye.